And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us their CW340 portable 3-in-1 wireless charger. This is a 3-in-1 fast wireless charger for wireless devices. 3-in-1, as you can see, a watch, headphones, and a phone. The sticker here on the back, as well as a diagram of how you could use this. And let's open it up, take a look at it. Nothing else in there. So inside of this is everything else except for that. So they include you a very nice USB-C cable here. I love the purple. They also include a very nice fast charging power brick. A little instruction manual giving you details, and then the device itself. So it's made out of like a soft silicone fill and kind of all magnetizes together. So of course you can lay it straight out like this and you could charge all 3 devices at once. You could put your phone on here, you could put headphones on here, and your Apple Watch on here, and through this one USB cable using one power brick, you could charge all 3 devices at one time. Then when you're done, of course, it easily just folds back together. Nice, easy, and portable. Stays together because of the magnets. Love the silicone soft design, and there is other ways. You can kind of prop your phone up like this if you want to. There's a few different things you could do. If you only need to charge these 2, you could lay it out this way. Due to the USB-C port is right here, you can kind of set this up a bunch of different ways and it'd still be able to charge. So that'll essentially do it for this CW340 portable 3-in-1 wireless charger. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send it to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.